In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and set up Freshbooks for your small business in 2025. Perfect for small service-based businesses, Freshbooks offers various plans that you can preview with a 30-day free trial to get a feel for its features and determine if it meets your business needs before committing. To get started, visit the Freshbooks website and sign up for the trial. It's a great way to evaluate the features and usability of the software before diving deeper into a paid plan. After the initial run, consider the Plus plan, popular for its affordability and utility. But do keep in mind it caps at 50 clients. If your business exceeds this or requires more advanced features, the premium plan could be your best bet. Once you've made your choice, you'll begin by setting up your company information. It's crucial to enter accurate business details, such as your business's name, address, and any pertinent contact information. Configure your tax and financial settings by setting your preferred currency and fiscal year, ensuring your operations align seamlessly with financial reporting. Don't forget to upload your company logo to maintain a professional and consistent brand appearance throughout. Next, it's time to connect your bank accounts and payment systems. By linking your business bank account to FreshBooks, you can automatically import transactions, which are useful for expense reconciliation. Additionally, integrating payment processors like Stripe or PayPal will enable clients to pay invoices directly online, simplifying the payment process. Set up your preferred payment options, adding them to your invoices and checkout links for a streamlined financial workflow. Customization is the next critical step. Begin by adding your products and services, detailing whether they're taxable. Doing this helps you manage your catalog effectively and ensures your invoices are accurate. If you have team members, setting them up with specific roles and permissions tailored to their responsibilities within your business is key for efficient operations. As you move forward, start adding clients and projects. Input detailed client information to manage your customer interactions smoothly. Creating projects is simple. Just head over to the Projects section where you can set up a new project, deciding between a flat rate or hourly rate. Assign the project to a client, provide a brief description, and specify the completion date for better project management and client satisfaction. The final step before launching into daily use is thorough testing. Review your settings and ensure all information entered is correct. Then create a sample invoice to verify that everything appears as it should. Once you've processed transactions, check your reports to ensure that balances and transaction histories reflect accurately. This final check is crucial to confirming the precision and reliability of your financial data. And that's how you set up FreshBooks for your small business needs. This intuitive tool will streamline your accounting tasks and help you maintain a professional touch in managing your client interactions and financial affairs. Happy bookkeeping!